Every one of your modern struggles, the anxiety, the doubt, the failed goals, was solved 120 years ago. The solution was hidden in a forgotten book by an author named James Allen. The central idea is so simple, yet so disruptive, it was deemed too dangerous for the masses. It is this: you are not a victim of circumstance, you are the master weaver of it. Allen believed that the mind of man may be likened to a garden. You are the sole gardener, and you have two choices: cultivate it intelligently, or allow it to run wild. If you plant no useful seeds, then an abundance of useless weeds will fall therein and continue to produce their kind. The choice is not whether you plant, but what you plant. This is the brutal truth of the law of the harvest. You cannot reap wheat when you have sown thistles. Your negative thoughts are not harmless whispers. They are seeds that grow into actions. Impure thoughts of malice, envy, or disappointment will crystallize into habits of weakness, which then solidify into distracting and adverse circumstances. Most people believe that circumstance creates the man. Allen says the opposite. Circumstance does not make the man, it reveals him to himself. Your current surroundings are simply a mirror, reflecting the thoughts and desires you have most consistently harbored in your heart. If you find yourself in a field of thorns, it is only because you allowed a handful of bitter seeds to take root. To change the view in the mirror, you must first change the face that looks into it. The key to mastery is not a new job or a new location, but a simple, repeated practice: purposeful thinking. The moment a man ceases to whine and revile, and commences to search for the hidden justice that regulates his life, he adapts his mind to that regulating factor. He stops kicking against circumstances and begins to use them as aids to his progress. He finds the strength of character he needs is already within him. You are the master of thought, the molder of character, and the shaper of your destiny. Do not leave your mind unattended. Tend your garden with discipline and intent. If you radically alter your thoughts, you will be astonished at the rapid transformation it will effect in your material life. If you seek more wisdom that the world has forgotten, subscribe and join this hidden archive of knowledge. The journey to self-mastery begins now.